What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here, and it is just below freezing. As you guys can see, 31 degrees next to my Duck Van Dyke over here. And I'm making a Facebook Marketplace pickup. I was scrolling through, I saw this guy selling a whole bunch of Lego sets. I think the grand total came out to $965, $985. I'll post some stuff up here on the screen because I don't really remember. And I asked him what's the best price he would take. $825, and he said, yeah, I was gonna shoot back 800, but I'm like, am I there was money to be made at $965. $825 is a really good deal, and that's what pushed me over the hump to be like, you know what, I'll buy all of them. So we're going to meet up right now. I'm gonna load the back of the car. We're gonna scan them all into Amazon and see how much profit we're gonna make on these Lego sets. I'm super stoked. Facebook Marketplace is a great time to be finding stuff after Christmas. I've been noticing so many sealed things on there. Maybe a lot of things people got for Christmas they don't want anymore. I don't know. Even thrift stores are more loaded with sealed board games right now. People are just donating things I think that they got for Christmas that they didn't want. But I'm happy about it. So let's go. Let's see what we get. All right, as you guys can see, we got the Legos in the back seat. I just had to stop at the post office. I picked up a massive lot of free VHS tapes. We're talking pallets and pallets, gaylords and gaylords of VHS tapes. And I've been selling a bunch of mystery lots over on eBay. So, link down below in the description if you are interested in VHS tapes. I got a whole bunch on eBay, basically an unlimited amount, tens of thousands. It's absolutely crazy. But this is a Lego video, so we're gonna look at the Legos, see what kind of stuff we got in there, and I think we got some gems. Now, I had to pay a fee on PayPal. I paid him via friends and family, but I wanted to use my PayPal credit line, and they charge a fee. I totally forgot that because I haven't used it in so long. So I ended up paying a $24.53 fee, I believe. So I'm right at about $850. It added about $2.50 each to these Lego sets in here. That's not that big of a deal. There's 10 Lego sets in there. I figured I could handle it. It's okay. Let's scan them in and let's see how much money there is in Legos. All right, he got them all into this big bag for me. Oh, it's even a Lego bag. That's I didn't even realize. That's actually really cool. So I have my Amazon seller app open. We're just gonna pull them out one at a time and we'll have a running tally going on the screen. All right, here we go. This is our first set right here. It looks pretty cool. It's some Batman set. I don't know, they all look really cool. Let's scan it in, see what we got. All right, here is our first set selling for $120. I'm gonna make $96.71. So I'll just run it down to 96 and we will have that going on the screen. 96 bucks for this one, not too shabby. All right, next up, we'll grab this guy. Pretty big. What do we got here? Oh, this looks kind of cool. Spider-Man, Rhino, and Sandman. All right, scan this one in. See what we got. All right, sweet. This one is going for $225, so I'm going to make $184 on that. So, yeah, we're already looking real good on the first two. We got lots more to go. We have a Ghostbusters one right here, which is really sweet. Look at how cool that is. Oh, man, some of these are awesome, but, I'd rather have the money than the Legos right now, and someone else can have the Legos and be happy. So let's scan this one in, and what do we got? Oh, yeah, that's another really good one. $209.88. I'm gonna make $172 on that one. So far everything's right around that. First one was the only one under 100, so under 100 profit. So that's not that big of a I mean, everything's pretty big, but that's not that bad. What do we have here? Marvel Superheroes: The Ultimate Battle for Asgard. Very cool. This one looks like it'd be worth a lot, but I honestly have no idea. Let's scan it in. And okay, it's not a crazy one. $115, you're gonna make 92, or I'm gonna make 92. Not too bad. Next up, we got a big boy here. Look at this, this thing's huge. Thanos Ultimate Battle. All right, we got the barcode on this side now. What do we got? Ooh, not showing up. That's interesting, first time that happened, so let's type it in. I'm just going to type in the word Lego and then the model number, which is 76107. 76107. Hope it's on here. And there it is. Okay, cool. So we are good. It sells for $169. Gonna make 130. Pretty nuts. Now, if you guys are seeing this and you're like, well, on eBay, it sells for $110, $105. That's why I'm selling them on Amazon, really. I mean, you just can get more money on Amazon. So that's what I'd recommend doing. Plus, I ship everything into Amazon FBA. So shipping on each one of these is probably $2 to $4 on the high end. So that's why I recommend shipping things into Amazon FBA. All right, we have a Marvel Superheroes Spider-Man Doc Ock's tentacle trap here. Scan this guy in. And all these boxes are in great, clean condition, luckily. I did ask him, and yeah, when I saw it there, he said, no, everything's in great shape. You could take a look, and yeah, they were. So that's great. This one's very good. $156.95. I'm going to make $125 on that. So another $125. Have we broken even yet? I don't know. Well, we have some really big ones left. What do we have here? A Beware the Vulture Marvel Superheroes. All right, let's see what we got in here. Scan this bad boy in. And, oh, this is our lowest priced one so far. Very interesting. $88.57. You'll make $69. Nice. So we'll take that. Got 3 more. Let's get some big profit ones going. This one's cool looking. This is Batman's Killer Croc Sewer Smash. Awesome. All right. I mean, if I were to guess, this one looks to be worth over $200 just by looking at it. I don't know, though. Oh, I think I was close. $193.97. Gonna make $152. $152 on this bad boy. I'll take it. All right, 2 more left. We'll do this one, which is a Batman Scarecrow Harvest of Fear. Really neat looking. Really neat looking. Scanner in. What do we got? Oh, you know, I thought it was going to be closer to 200. Still not bad, though. $158.30 after fees. You get $122. $122 right there. Now, we should definitely be over broken even. We better be at this point. I thought I did good math in my head when I was buying these. And then our last one is this massive guy right here. Sanctum Sanctorium Showdown. I mean, this is crazy. There's over 1,000 pieces in here. So this has to be over 200. Is it 300? I don't know. We're about to find out together. And let's see what we got. Scan it on in. And yes, it is. Okay, nice. Oh, no, it's not. You know what's crazy? I'm seeing right here $326.99 with 7 offers. When you click into it, it's $288. Now, is there a $326 somewhere? Yeah, right there. So that must have been the guy that had the buy box. Interesting. So $288.99. I'm still going to make $231.57. So $231. I wonder what the grand total is. I don't know. You guys know before I know. I think that was a pretty great haul. As you can tell, I still look a little tired. I rolled out of bed 15 minutes before I was supposed to go there, which means I got up after 9:30, which, you know, it is what it is. But I'm very happy to have picked all this stuff up. Facebook Marketplace has some deals right now, some crazy deals. I did pick something else up the other day on Facebook Marketplace I want to show you guys. It's in rougher shape than I thought when I got there, but I'd kind of driven a little far away to get it. Let me show you. So I still have my van, and I almost never use it. I've been using it to transport these cardboard Gaylord boxes. Oh, and it's locked. All right, let's unlock her. All right. As you guys can see, I've been using it to transport boxes to a dumpster because I have no way of getting rid of them, and they are huge. But this is another reason why I had it, to pick this up, which is really sweet. The cord kind of went flying over there, but I gotta clean this glass up. I don't know how it got this scratched up. Now, I don't know if I still have a screenshot of the listing when I originally saw it, but the condition was like new. And the way they took the picture, you couldn't see all this scratching. Now, she was really nice, everything was great, but it's really not in the best of shape. And look at this. You can see the screws in here, right? They're all normal. and then over here. They obviously replaced one and stripped it. Ugh, so this is going to be a job, but I'm going to have to take this top completely off, kind of clean it. There is a way to get scratches out of this plastic. I've done it before with a buffing compound, and it should help a lot. It should make it look a lot better, but I'm going to have to do it to this piece of plastic here, and this one's actually really clean, so that's good. But this was sweet. I got this, I think, for $100, maybe $125, and I believe this sells on eBay for over $400. So that was a great score right there. I do want to clean it up. It was plugged in, so I know it works. But yeah. Oh, she also had given me this little thing right here of replacement pieces that they had ordered. If anything ever needs to be replaced, there's just a whole bunch of different replacement pieces. So that's kind of nice. But Facebook Marketplace, guys, that is the place to find great deals. Does anybody use Craigslist anymore, or OfferUp? I think OfferUp and Letgo combined like 10 years ago, so I don't even think Letgo is a thing anymore. Are there any other local selling avenues that you guys know of? Because I only ever search Facebook Marketplace. I haven't checked Craigslist in years. I haven't checked OfferUp in years. Facebook Marketplace has kind of been my go-to. The searching on there is a little weird. Sometimes it just gives you random things in your feed, and one day it'll look like garbage, the next day it's filled with all this great stuff that's been listed for days or weeks, and yeah, it's wild. Facebook Marketplace is so weird with their search results. All right, I just got home, and the puppy! What up, Soph? You haven't been on a video in so long? Okay, you want to go outside? All right, baby. Oh my gosh, it's been a while since you've been on video. You ready to go in the backyard? Okay, go on. Good girl. Oh yeah. She's enjoying it, all right. Such a good girl. It is absolutely freezing out here.